Need your Schwab documents for taxes, loans, or record keeping? If you can't find where to download your statements, you're not alone. Today, we're locating and downloading Schwab account statements and tax forms. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Schwab stores all your documents digitally for at least 7 years, and accessing them takes just a few clicks. Step 1. Go to the Statements section. Log into your Schwab account and click Accounts, then Statements. You'll see a list of all your monthly statements and tax documents organized by year. Step 2. Select and download. Use the filters to choose the year and document type you need. Click View to see it in your browser or Download to save it as a PDF. Your 1099 forms are typically available by mid-February. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Sign up for e-delivery to get documents faster. In your profile settings, choose electronic delivery for all statements and confirmations. You'll get email notifications when new documents are available, often days before paper copies are mailed. So, just like that, you have instant access to all your important financial records. Going paperless goes a long way in staying organized and reducing clutter. Now I'm curious, do you still receive paper statements, or have you gone fully digital with your financial documents? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.